Hello dear students. In this class we'll discuss very important points in mathematics. Many students they don't know when these things come what will be the answer. So it is very important you should know all these points. 25 points are there. You know all the points. Let's start one by one. First, anything to the power of 0. Anything to the power of 0 is equal to 1. Keep in mind, whatever it is, suppose x to the power of 0, answer is 1. Suppose 2 to the power of 0, answer is 1. Keep in mind, anything to the power of 0 is 1. Anything to the power of 1 is anything. Whatever it is, x to the power of 1 will be x. 2 to the power of 1 will be 2. 100 to the power of 1, 100. So keep in mind, anything to the power of 1 is anything. Now, anything to the power of minus 1 can be written as 1 divided by a. 1 divided by a. Reciprocal of 1 divided by a will again be a to the power of minus 1. Keep in mind. If a to the power of minus 1 can be written as 1 by a, then 1 by a can be written as a to the power of minus 1. Keep in mind. 0 by anything is 0, student. 0 by anything is 0. Suppose 0 divided by 9 is equal to 0. Anything. 0 divided by minus 9, suppose. That is also 0. Some student used to write minus 0. There is no such value, student. Keep in mind. After 0, before 0, the value will be minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Okay. So 0 by anything, whether it is in plus or in minus, answer will be 0. Keep in mind. Now here anything divided by 0, that this is not defined, student. Before we used to write anything by 0 as infinity, but right now anything by 0 is not defined, student. Keep in mind. Whatever it is, 2 divided by 0, you have to write answer not defined. Not defined. X divided by 0, answer not defined. Okay, keep in mind, anything divided by 0 is not defined. 1 divided by 0, not defined. Anything divided by 1 will be anything. For any value, when you divide that value by 1, again you will get the same value, whatever in the numerator. Suppose 2 divided by 1, answer will be 2. X divided by 1, answer will be x. 1000 divided by 1, answer will be 1000. 100 divided by 1, answer will be 100. Suppose minus 2 divided by 1, answer will be minus 2. Anything divided by 1 will be anything. If it is minus anything divided by 1, answer will be minus anything. Minus 1000 by 1, minus 1000. Plus 1000 by 1, plus 1000. Minus 1000 by 1, minus 1000, student. 1 by anything will be anything to the power of minus 1, as we have seen here. Some students do mistake in this. Like here, anything by 1 is anything. Student used to write 1 by anything is also equal to anything. That is not correct. 1 by 2 can be written as 2 to the power of minus 1. Or you have to divide it. Okay. By taking 0 point. Okay. Here 0 will come. 2 ones are 2 5s are. 1 by 2 will be 0.5 or 2 to the power of minus 1. But some student 1 by 2 is equal to 2. Like this they used to write. This is wrong. This is not correct, student. Okay. 1 by 2 is not equal to 2. Keep in mind. But 2 by 1 is equal to 2. 0 plus anything will be anything, student. 0 plus anything is anything. For example, 0 plus 10. Answer will be 10. Okay. Some student used to write 0 plus 10 as 0. That is not correct. That is completely wrong. You are adding 10 to 0. Then 10 will remain. Suppose 0 minus anything will be minus anything, student. For example, 0 minus 10. Answer will be minus 10. We are adding minus 10 to 0. Answer will be minus 10. Keep in mind. Now, anything plus 0. Anything plus 0 is anything, student. Suppose 10 plus 0. Answer will be 10, not 0. Here, anything minus 0 is also anything. Like 10 minus 0, answer will be 10. I am giving you some examples also, whatever it is. Suppose sometime it will come like this, minus 2 minus 0, answer will be minus 2. Minus 8 minus 0, answer will be minus 8. Minus 2 minus 0, answer will be minus 2. Anything minus 0 will be anything. Minus anything minus 0 will be minus anything. Like minus anything minus 0 will be minus anything. Keep in mind. These are very small point but very important. A into A, anything into anything will be anything square. X into X will be X square. Then 2 into 2 will be 2 square. Then 2 square will be 4. 2 2s are 4. Anything into anything is anything square. Like this, x into x will be x square. 2 into 2 will be 2 square. 2 2s are 4. Now student, very important, all these points. Be careful and see the video till the end. Anything into 0 will be 0. Anything into 0 will become, when you multiply anything with 0, it will become 0. Whatever it is. Infinity into 0, 0. 1000 into 0, 0. If you multiply 1000 into 0, answer will be 0. Simply keep in mind, when you multiply 0 with anything or anything with 0, result will be 0. 0 into anything is also 0. Like 0 into 1000, suppose, answer will be 0. Minus anything into 0 is also 0. 0 into minus anything is also 0. Some student used to write here minus 0, that is wrong. There is no such value like minus 0. Keep in mind, student. Minus anything into 0 is also 0. 0 into minus anything is also 0. Simply keep in mind, when you multiply 0 with anything, whether it is in minus or it is in plus, result will be 0 only. Next point is student, 17th one. Anything into 1 will be anything. If you multiply 1 with any value, the same value will remain. Whatever it is. Suppose two into 1, answer will be 2. Anything into 1, anything. Like 112 into 1, answer will be 112. x into 1, answer will be x. Suppose 2x plus 3 into 1, answer will be 2x plus 3. Minus 100 into 1, answer will be minus 100. Anything into 1 will be anything. If it is in minus anything into 1, answer will be minus anything. Plus 100 into 1, plus 100. Minus 100 into 1, minus 100. Suppose it is minus 100 into minus 1. Then it will become plus 100. Suppose like this. Minus 100 into minus 1. This will become plus 100. Why? Minus into minus will become plus. 100 into 1 is 100, student. 1 into anything is also anything. Like 1 into 9, answer will be 9. 1000. 1 into 99, answer will be 99. Suppose 1 into minus anything, answer will be minus anything. Keep in mind. Now anything into minus 1 will be minus anything. Okay. Suppose 11 into minus 1, answer will be minus 11. X into minus 1, answer will be minus x. Keep in mind. If it is like this, minus 1 into anything, then also answer will be minus anything. Minus 1 square will be plus 1, student. Minus 1 square is plus 1. Why? Minus square is plus. Minus into minus is plus. 1 square is 1. If it is minus 1 to the power of 3, suppose, then answer will be minus 1, student. Why? We have to multiply minus 3 times. Minus into minus into minus. Minus into minus will be plus. Then plus into minus will be minus. Minus into minus is plus. Then plus into minus is minus. Now important thing you have to keep in mind is minus to the power of even number is plus 1. Minus 1 to the power of odd number is minus 1. It is very important. Minus 1 to the power of even number is plus 1. Whatever even number is, suppose 24, that is answer will be plus 1. Suppose here 27, then answer will be minus 1. Minus to the power of even number is plus 1. Minus to the power of odd number is minus 1. Under root 0 is 0. 0 square is also 0, student. A square can be written as A into A. For example, suppose 9 square is 9 into 9. 9 9s are 81. Some student used to do mistake here. 9 square, 9 2s are 18. That is wrong. 9 square means you have to multiply 9 2 times. Suppose x into x, answer will be x square. Now last one, a cube, a to the power of 3 can be written as a into a. Suppose one value will take 2 cube, then we have to multiply 2 3 times, student. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Suppose x cube, then it can be written as x into x into x. 8 cube, 8 into 8 into 8, and we have to multiply that value 3 times. I hope you understood. If you have any doubt, you can write in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel Tech Mathematics. Thank you for watching my video.